Hello YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously I'm starting this video off looking a hot mess, but today's video is going to be all about doing a protein treatment on your hair. I wanted to show y'all what my hair looks like right now. Don't mind it because it's a lot going on, okay? It's time for a trim. It's time for a protein treatment. This is like a week and a half to 2 week twist out. I just came back from 3 different countries. Like, it's a lot going on. A lot. So if you watched my previous video about shedding and breakage, you guys know that I mentioned in that video that I do a protein treatment on my hair every 6 weeks. Anytime I do my protein treatment, obviously I start out with washing my hair first, just because you really want your hair to be free of just dirt and any type of products that you've used in the past few weeks. So I always start out with shampooing my hair first before applying the protein treatment. So I'm going to actually use the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse for my shampoo. And then once I actually shampoo my hair, I will come back and show you guys how I apply the Aphogee protein treatment. So this is all right. So now that we have the hair all clean and separated, we're gonna go ahead and start applying the Aphogee protein treatment to the hair. So of course, if you have not applied this protein treatment before to your hair, just know that it is messy, and I would suggest that you kind of surround whatever area you are in with a towel, because it gets really sticky and it's just a mess. So guys, I don't know if you've used the Aphogee protein treatment before, but if you have, you know that if you get this stuff in your eye, it is like you're dying, basically. That might be dramatic, but I'm dead serious. Like, this stuff seriously burns when it gets in your eye. So what I like to do is actually put a headband around the perimeter of my hair. So then that way the headband can catch all of the protein treatment that's falling out, because I do not want this stuff in my eye. So I actually put a headband as well as a dreadlock sock. They look like this. I know you guys probably, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen these. I put both of them around my hair because I don't want any of this stuff falling in my face. Alright, so the first thing I do is actually take a color applique bottle and I put the Aphogee protein treatment in the color applique bottle. Alright, so starting in the back, I actually do a little bit of hair. Like that amount. So when you finish a section of hair, just leave it out like this, because this stuff hardens on your hair. That is basically it working. So don't try to pin this up when it's done. Just leave it down. Alright, so I'm gonna go offline and do the other side of my head. But once this is done, I would recommend you sit under a hooded dryer for about 10 minutes and then just kind of let it sit for another 20. Or you could just let it air dry for about 45 minutes and then rinse it out. All right, so this is what my hair looks like after I've applied the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. My hair is super hard. You guys probably can't tell from here, but my hair is like very hard right now. That's what you want your hair to do when you use this protein treatment. You allow it to harden and then you, of course, rinse it out. So I'm going to just hop in the shower, rinse this out. I actually like to shampoo my hair one more time after this, so I am going to use the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse one more time just to make sure I get all of the protein, the residue out. And then once I hop out of the shower, I'll follow up with the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. All right, so as you can tell, I am sitting under my hooded steamer. I have applied the deep conditioner, and this is somewhat the end of the video, but I just wanted to let you guys know that obviously after you rinse out your deep conditioner, you follow your normal process for styling and doing leave-in conditioners on your hair. So that's pretty much it for a protein treatment. Pretty straightforward. Of course, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below in the comment section. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, bye.